Hello everyone, and welcome to Meditation is the Best Medicine, brought to you by Broward Meditation. I am Dr. Ejaz, a licensed and board-certified physician, as well as a meditator with this incredible method. In the last series, we answered a question about the benefits of this meditation on our physical health. In Series 2, our discussions will focus on meditation and epigenetics. Thank you very much, and we hope you enjoy. Well, to begin to answer this question, we must first understand what is epigenetics. We learned a bit about our genes and DNA in Series 1, Chapter 3 when we discussed telomeres. We learned that genes are how certain traits and diseases are inherited from one generation to the next. As we dive deeper into genetics, it has been noted that sometimes certain genes may be present in a person but not be expressed. For example, a person may be born with a genetic predisposition to asthma, but never have a single symptom in their life. Why? The answer is epigenetics. Epigenetics is a process of biochemical changes that occur within our cells and affect how our genes are expressed. Basically, certain changes or marks that take place on a particular gene can either turn it on or off, like a switch. Epigenetics research shows that marks on a gene can be caused by external factors like diet, drugs and other toxic chemicals like smoking, and stress. Stress can turn certain illness genes on and allow them to start expressing that illness. Okay, so it seems logical, and we can understand that conditions in our lives or things we do will affect our genes, how they are expressed, and thus our health. Through more advanced studies, epigeneticists realize that environmental or personal stresses that happen to our ancestors' bodies have effects on us today. Likewise, they also noted that positive habits formed in a generation are also passed down to the next, and in some studies have shown to turn off inherited genes that can cause certain illnesses. For me, reading about these conclusions was not only fascinating, but very hopeful, because there are actions that we can take to benefit the health and well-being of our future generations. Essentially, to me, epigenetics is the scientific basis behind what we learn and practice in our meditation. In his books, great teacher Myung explains the difference between karma, which is based on our life lived, and the habits and body that we inherited from our ancestors. So, as meditators, we are very fortunate because not only are we realizing how these things affect our daily lives, but also effectively cleansing them all, changing our genes and how they will be expressed in our future generations. Can you think of anything better we could do for our generations to come?